Here's a problem inside Premiere Pro 2020. I added a Gaussian blur and it has a mask and everything here is grayed out. So I cannot click on these to track forward or backward. So what to do so that I can use that blur and move it forward or backward? Simply click on this mask, so not on the Gaussian blur but on the mask, and press delete on the keyboard and delete that mask. Okay, now everything is blurred out here, so we need to add the mask. Let's see, create ellipse mask, that one. The mask was added back, so only this portion is blurred out. Now adjust those settings that you want, the feather and the blurriness, reposition it where you want, and now this is available. It's tracking it forward, progress. So just delete the mask and recreate it in case those forward and backwards buttons are grayed out.